Hello. The application called Tax Hide will allow you to hide tax in sales, purchase, and invoice. So let's see how that works. First, we need to go to sales. From here, we will go to configurations and settings. Under settings, we will enable the option called hide tax. So if I scroll down, I have the option over here to hide tax in sales order. Similarly, I also have the option in purchase settings. So if I scroll down here, you can see I have the option here in configurations and settings of purchase called hide tax in purchase order. Similarly, we have the same for invoice as well. Here you can see it is hide tax and invoice. Once you have enabled these configurations, you'll be able to hide the tax column in the sales order, purchase order, and invoice. Once you have enabled this, you can save this. If you want only for invoice, you can do only for invoice, or you can do only for purchase. It's up to your convenience. So I will create a new sales order here. Here you can see we have one field called hide taxes. Right now the column tax is visible. So I will add the customer in the details. So if I enable this option, my tax column will get invisible. If I want the tax column, I can add the tax column here as well. So as of now, I will hide the tax column and I will add the product and save this and confirm. As we have not added the tax column here, the print report will also not make the tax column visible. So if I download the quotation order from here you can see the tax column is not visible as well. So if just let's say I create another, this time I will create a purchase order. This time I will not disable the tax column. So I will create a new purchase order. I will add the product and I will not enable this. I will disable that option. I will save this and confirm the order. You can see we have the tax column over here. Similarly, when I print a purchase order for this particular purchase order, if the tax column is hidden, the tax column won't be visible in the report as well. But if it's visible, it will be visible in the report as well. You can see we have the tax column. Now if I just hide this column, I won't be able to see in the report as well. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.